Well, we have another little topic where is Uber bundling reservation rides. So this is pretty
I
interesting to
like
see
this
right
one.
here.
I like this one. This I like. Now I
Mhm.
hate when they stack or bundle food orders. You know what they do, Chris? This freaking algorithm,
What?
bro. So
Oh yeah.
they will put a high tipping delivery order with a no tip delivery order, right? So the high tipping delivery order guy or gal tipped because they want their food faster with good service, right? But then the freaking algo squeezes in that $2 no tip order in there. I mean, you can of course cancel that leg, obviously. But what they do is now I have to go to two restaurants. And if the second drop off is the high tipping customer order, they're going to get delayed for a $2 no tip order. You know what I mean?
Mhm.
But now they're doing this. I got this quite a few times this week. They're doing this. It's called a trip bundle. It's only on reservations. I think this is great. Uber. See, I said it. Uber and great in the same fucking sentence, Uber. Why is it good? First of all, you have to be online 40 minutes before a reservation, right? And the way the algo is figuring out is it's sending you from one reservation to another reservation. Look at the mileages and look at the, look at the dollars on these. These are wonderful, wonderful trips. I would do it in a heartbeat, right? So,
Mhm.
and it doesn't seem like, because I don't know, what state these are from, but it doesn't seem like one is a shit order, one is a good order, right? It seems like you're going to be busy for at least couple 3 hours, right? And you're guaranteed business, one reservation after the other. Hopefully the algo has set it in a way that the pickup drop off is closer to the next reservation. But I'm looking at the mileage, I'm looking at the time of these active miles and active times. None of these look bad to me, right? So if this is
Mhm.
coming to your city, Uber, if this is a test, release into the wild. I'd like to see this in LA myself. This is, I think, a pretty decent idea. So, don't start hating already. You guys going to say, yeah, but what if the first one cancels? Then I have to wait 2 hours for the second one. Look, shit will happen. Don't look at it negatively. If you can complete both trips and you're busy for a couple, 2.5 hours, that's what it's going to take in all these trips from the time and distance I'm seeing. And if the pickup and drop offs are relatively close, I mean, the one on the right is what, $105. And on reservations, your tipping chances are higher. So in likelihood, one or both are going to be tipped. On second one is $75. Third one is like $60. But look at the times: 5 minutes and 1.9 miles for $18. And the other one up top is on the bundle. Where is it? Total. It says trip bundle in the middle. Two trips, 31.8 miles. Right. And I mean, it gives you the total as well in the middle. Right. On the right, it says two trips, 64 miles, 64.7 miles. So it's adding you to both mileages. 64 miles for $105 with a possible tip is like $1.50 a mile. That's profitable to me. So I like this, Uber. See, you guys always tell me, Serge, you're so negative. See, I commend you. I think this is a good
I
idea.
want, there's one change that I want to see to this.
Okay.
I want to see, it says on trip mileage. So it's just telling you the two trips and then it's telling you what the on trip
Oh, you
mileage.
want the
I
time?
want to know what the total mileage is. So
Okay.
give me the distance. All I want to know is just the distance between drop off of ride one to pick up of
Yeah.
ride two. That's all
Okay.
I'd want to
All
see.
right.
Just
Okay.
because
No,
then I'm
very
going to
good.
have a little bit better of a knowledge point in terms of
Can you
the
tell what
mileage
city
I'm
this is
driving.
in? Oh, this is Austin. Is it Austin, right?
I think it's Austin. I'm not
Yeah, it's
sure.
Austin. So this is in Austin, Texas. So um I like this, Uber. Again, see, I said it 3 times and people are gonna hate me now. I like it, Uber. Continue.
I think it's
Continue.
a good idea. I like the fact that it's going to keep you busy for the time,
Yeah,
and you can see about how long it's going to take, and then you
yeah.
can kind of justify if that's going to be worth it for you or not. And then it's going to be technically considered long trips because of the distance and the time of it, but it's not going to be like going from one city to another city and then having to deadhead back necessarily. So I think that's good, unless it's a reservation trip that's going long distance. But again, you'll be able to see that and figure that out yourselves on these. But I think it's a good idea. I think
Yeah.
it's something that it's going to have to be played out a little bit more, and I'd probably just want to see a little bit more information before but
Yeah,
I
but
like the
look,
concept and I like the
these
idea
things,
too.
these, you know how they do it, right? These things get adjusted, and they're
Mhm.
testing. Obviously, they're testing it. I haven't seen it in LA. So, if you guys are seeing this in your city, please email me, Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. I want to see how many cities they're testing this in, and I think this is a good idea. I hope Lyft, you should do this instead of your, hocus pocus, show the trip at 25 on the schedule list, but then when the ping comes in, it's 22. That's got to get fixed. That's horrible. But this I like. So, yeah, there you go.
So yeah, if you have in your area, let us know. Hopefully it'll roll out to more, especially if reservation rides are bigger in your particular market versus others. So yeah, we'll go from there. We'll keep you guys posted. So make sure you stay tuned with that. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.